Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making lemon herb grilled fish. It's light, refreshing, and perfect for any occasion. We'll start by selecting a fresh fish. Choose a firm white fish like cod or tilapia. Next, gather your herbs. Fresh dill, parsley, and thyme work best. Their flavors will meld beautifully with the lemon. Begin by marinating the fish. Squeeze the juice of 2 lemons into a bowl. Add a drizzle of olive oil. Chop your herbs finely. Mix them into the lemon juice and olive oil. Add a pinch of sea salt and black pepper. Place the fish fillets into a large resealable bag. Pour the marinade over the fish. Seal the bag tightly. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to penetrate the fish. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Brush the grill grates with olive oil to prevent sticking. Place the marinated fish on the grill. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until the fish flakes easily. Serve the grilled fish with a wedge of lemon. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs for an added burst of flavor. Pair it with a simple green salad or steamed vegetables. The lightness of the fish complements any side dish. Enjoy your lemon herb grilled fish. It's a delightful, healthy meal that's sure to impress. Grab this recipe and a bunch of others like in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and gives me a reason to live. Thank you for watching. Cheers.